and we'll tighten them down really tight with a tool, and that will hold everything tight. 30 Days of Solo Shed, day 22. We are going up another course today, but we're adding something.
Right, it's time to add our hurricane strapping.
Yeah, and so the hurricane strapping will allow us to use the weight of the bags. So we're gonna put the strap in now and make it long enough so that when we go up another 3, 4, 5 bags to the level where we want that rafter, then we'll be able to throw that strap over and tighten it down with a tool and keep everything really tight in case of crazy winds, which totally do happen out here. We have some people asking about the pitch of our roof and winds and all that. We've thought about all that. That's why we're putting the hurricane strapping in.
So we haven't quite decided if we're going to attach the hurricane strapping to the beam or to the actual rafter. We don't have to decide that. We're going to make it plenty long enough so that we could do either.
Right, yeah, that's the idea. So we got to put those straps in today. While we're laying the bag, we got to decide where they're going to be, how long they're going to be, and then when we get done, we'll fold them up so that 99 doesn't rip them off, because
yeah, he would totally
do that. Anyway, so ready?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Am I doing it right? Is this how we do it, babe?
So we're gonna put some staples on these to make sure that they don't slide out, especially if a particular dog were to grab it.
I gotta hit the beat. 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 I gotta it. Pop that bottle, it's over. It's the end of October. Champagne on the shoulder. This is my exposure. Pop that bottle, it's over. It's the end of October. Champagne on the shoulder. This is my exposure.
Hey, do you know where the hammer is?
Haven't seen it.
Oh, okay. Here's a couple of quick things we've learned the last couple of days that we would do differently, and we will do differently next time. The first is that this lintel that we made it basically big enough to cover the 10-inch wide board. But what we realized is when we needed to put the bag on top of it, because this lintel wasn't the full 16 inches, the bag just kind of like curled down over it, and so it kind of sinks down in the middle here, and we'll have to fix that on the next level. So what we would do next time is just make sure that our lintels are the full 14 or 16 inches all the way across, so you don't have that bag curling around and dropping down in the middle. And the other thing we just realized putting in these straps is that we forgot to account for our buttress. So you can see this first strap that we put in, it's actually right in between the buttress and the bag right next to it. So it's not going to provide a very good pull because it could just slip right through that crack. I mean, it would catch on the next level, but still that's not a great place to put it. We should have brought it over more. So remember the buttresses when you're doing your hurricane straps.
We have to take a minute and say thank you to whoever sent us a gift card for our favorite coffee shop, Talking Irons Saloon.
Yeah, we just got a random email with a gift card, so we totally went and spent it,
Yeah.
and we enjoyed every second of it. So thank you so much, whoever you are. We really appreciate it.
All the live long day, all the live long day. I'll be moving along, singing my song, running around, ain't nothing wrong. All the live long day. I said all the live long day. Baby got her shoes on, she wants to move. Looking for trouble, honey, is it you? Feel the world under her feet, all the cracks up in the concrete. Take a step back, she's coming through. Baby looking shady, she's on the run.
Right on, man!
All the live long day, all the live long day. I'll be moving along, singing my song, running around, ain't nothing wrong. All the live long day. I said all the live long day.
That's it for day 22. We got another course up almost all the way around. We decided to wait. We have 2 little bags that will be on each side of the arch dome. We're still trying to decide if we're going to go ahead and go over that dome with this layer or if we're going to go up another layer before we do that curve over the arch. So we'll figure that out later. We're going to work on that tomorrow in another course, so we will see you then.
Try to chase the future.